Hello everyone. Today I will tell you how you can use your WhatsApp on laptop. So let's start with the video. First you will open your Google account and write there WhatsApp web. After writing, click on the search bar and now click on the first link WhatsApp web. Now to open the WhatsApp in your laptop, you have to scan this QR code from your phone. So open your phone, open the WhatsApp and click on this three dot button on the top right. Click on linked devices, press this button and now scan this QR code from your phone to the laptop. So your WhatsApp will be open on the laptop and your chats will also be open. Here we go. Chats has been opened and the WhatsApp has been opened in the laptop. For example, this one is a chat. You can also log out your WhatsApp by clicking on this three dot button. Press log out and like this. Thank you so much. I hope you will like the video, so please subscribe our channel.